Hello mga kapuso, this is Coach LA, one of the star choreographers ng Stars on the Floor, and I'll be teaching hip-hop dance kay Mamang Pokwang and JM, Patrick, and Joshua.
Stars on the floor!
Si Mamang during rehearsals, very funny person. Like, hindi nagkaroon ng kahit anong pressure or yung process namin is very light. Kasi talaga nagbibigay siya lagi ng light every time we dance. So kung anong ituro ko, ginagawa niya maayos syempre. Syempre nakakaluwag sa pakiramdam yung bigla siya magpapatawa. Pero ginagawa, kinikil niya naman yung dance steps. In terms of struggle, I think wala namang masyado kasi Mamang Pokwang is a very good dancer talaga. And kahit ano siguro yung pasayaw mo sa kanya, magagawa niya. And siguro ang pinaka-struggle lang, a little bit struggle siguro yung kung paano niya i-memorize. Yung mga steps, which lagi naman yung sinasabi na, baka yung nahirapan ako. Pero so far, natapos naman namin yung dance siguro within 30 minutes. Then we good. JM, Joshua, and Patrick together with Mamang, sumasayaw sila. Para ako nakakita ng isang family. Parang may nanay, then merong 3 brothers. So parang ano lang, magaan lang talaga yung buhay as in. Inaalagaan sila ng Mamang, inaalagaan din nila si Mamang. So ayun guys, abangan nyo kung paano nila i-perform tong grabe character, yung swagger, the technique, and also kung paano nila dalhin yung sarili na dance na to. Fun, pero maangas. Abangan nyo yan. Again, this is Coach LA. See you sa Stars on the Floor.
Stars on the floor!